Hello guys, we discuss extended grammar poem number 4 Elegy written in country churchyard written by Thomas Gray. Now we discuss prepositions part number 1. We need prepositions primarily in order to show the position of one thing in relation to another. This relationship is expressed in terms of place, position and time. प्रीपोजिशन को हिंदी में कारक चिन्ह कहते हैं। मुख्यतः एक वस्तु का दूसरी वस्तु के साथ संबंध बताने के लिए हमें प्रीपोजिशन की आवश्यकता होती है। यह जो संबंध होता है उसको हम 3 तरह से एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं, प्लेस, पोजीशन एंड टाइम में। बिसाइड्स nouns, verbs and adjectives tend to be followed by prepositions, making combinations that occur so frequently that one is immediately reminded of the specific preposition whenever that noun, verb or adjective is used. For instance, believe reminds you of, in and phone brings to our minds the preposition of. Let us now consider the use of prepositions to express place. Number 1. When a general reference is made to a place, countries, cities, etc., we use in. For example, we say in a village, in the desert, etc. Similarly, with the names of countries, continents, large areas of land and big cities, in is generally used. The same rule applies to places of residence, in a bungalow, in a cottage, etc., showing the kind of place, and places of work, in an office, in a factory, etc. Remember that in also carries with it the idea of an enclosed space. Hence, in is not used with island, farm, estate, etc. When a surface is referred to and there is a contact with it, on is used. Number 2. When we refer to villages or smaller towns, mentioning their names or particular houses and addresses or specifically named places, we should use at. For instance, at the railway station, at the general hospital, at university, college, etc. We shall now take a look at the prepositions used to express relationships of time. पहले हमने पैलेस के बारे में पढ़ा, अब हम टाइम के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Number 1. At is used for specific and particular points of time. For example, at dawn, at 7 o'clock, at midnight, etc. Also, at is used with the names of festivals. Number 2. On is used when we refer to days and dates or a specific part of a day. For instance, we say on Sunday, on 5th November, on his birthday, on Monday morning, etc. Number 3. In denotes a period of time and the total length of time an activity takes, usually indicating the duration. For instance, we often say in 1972, in winter, in September, in 3 hours, in a few minutes, etc. Number 4. During expresses the idea of a situation that continues throughout a specified period. For example, during the war, during his tenure as director, etc. It also expresses the idea of an event or recurrence which takes place during the course of a period of time or part of a day. For example, the theft occurred during the night. Number 5. When we refer to the final limit of time for something to be done, we use the preposition by. For instance, which applications are to be submitted by the due date. Your father asks you to come back home by 10 pm. Number 6. 4 indicates a period of time during which some situation persists or something happens. For instance, we have been waiting for you for an hour. She worked in this office for 6 months. Number 7. Since is also used to indicate time. It is followed by a point of time when something started. This use of since is normally restricted to perfect and perfect continuous tenses. Look at these examples. We have been working since 9 am. I have known him since 1995. 6 और 7 नंबर पॉइंट में जो 4 और सिंस के एग्जाम्पल दिए मैं इनको ध्यान से पढ़ोगे तब आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा कि कहाँ पे 4 आएगा और कहाँ पर सिंस. We shall now consider some prepositions of position and moment. Number 1. Above means at a higher level. The sun rose above the horizon. Number 2. After he ran after the bus but missed it. Number 3. Across यहाँ से वहाँ या उस पार से. His house was across the road. She managed to swim across the stream. Number 4. Against के सहारे या के सामने. The ladder was placed against the wall. The showers were beating against the window. Number 5. Along बराबर बराबर. They walked along the road. They were trees along the sidewalk. Number 6. Between के बीच में. Sita sat between Rama and Lakshman. Number 7. At डज द ट्रेन स्टॉप एट कुरुक्षेत्र? शी sat at the table writing a letter. Number 8. Beside, by the side of. She sat beside her sick child all night. Number 9. By, I saw her standing by the window. Number 10. Beyond. Beyond का मतलब होता है के पार. On the other side, further than. The road continues beyond the village. Number 11. Down. नीचे उतरना या जल्दी ख़त्म करना. They ran down the hill. I saw him walking down the street. Number 12. Into. He put the books into the cartoon. Number 13. Out of. में से. She went out of the room. Number 14. On. In contact with the upper surface. The notebook is on the table. They sat on the grass. Number 15. Over के ऊपर से. He could not jump over the wall. जहाँ पे jump वर्ब हो हमारी वहाँ पे over लगाना है the wall. और जहाँ पे ladder का नाम आए वहाँ पे आपने against लगाना है. Number 16. Through के द्वारा. The train passed through the tunnel. Number 17. Under. The cat sat under the table. Number 18. Towards की तरफ से या की ओर. In the direction of. The car was speeding towards चंडीगढ़. ये है आपकी प्रीपोजिशंस, प्लेस, पोजीशन एंड टाइम. इनमें जितने भी एग्जाम्पल हैं आपने सभी को रीड आउट करना है. पेपर में इन्हीं में से आएगा. गाइज आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी फीडबैक ज़रूर बताना.